2016 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, security system, fog lights, CD player, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.